So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am the Broke Petrod, and today I've got something a little bit special, something a little bit different. I've got my very first car feature, and not only any kind of car, I've got a carbon monster behind me. So I want to shout out Dave, who I met by chance, and he's down to feature the car on the channel. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you just what this car's about. If you don't know about this car already, where have you been? Because this is an absolute monster of a car. Now, I know I've said a few things about the BMW, the current crop of BMWs, that I've not really been a fan of their design language, but I saw this and pretty much fell in love with it, and it absolutely sounds amazing. It has got decat. At the moment, it is stock engine, but the owner tells me he wants to tune it. And the BHP from that runs from about 450 to about 480. I'm not quite sure what it will be once it's tuned and dynoed, but it is an absolute beast. Wait till you hear it screaming down the road. I'm a B58 man myself, but this S58 is a tried and tested engine. It is a torquey monster, and believe me, it sounds absolutely amazing. Wait till you hear when this thing goes off. So guys, this car right here is a 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox. All the power is sent to the rear wheels. You can get it with a 6-speed manual gearbox, which gets to 60 in 4.2 seconds. The automatic is 4 seconds, so really not much in it. But this S58 is an absolute peach. Me personally, I'm a B58 man. I love the sound of a B58, but listening to this and going around and hearing this and the way it starts and the way it sounds, actually I might be starting to turn into an S58 fan, because that engine is a torquey engine. It's a monster, it's a beast. B58 or S58, let me know in the comments which one are you. His wheels are absolutely insane. I'm in love with them, and he's rocking Michelin PS4 S tyres, so you know, fully gripped out. This is track ready. I think the owner said that this has been to the Nürburgring, or if not, he's going to take it to the Nürburgring, and I can imagine this is going to be a hell of a lot of fun on the Nürburgring. It's going to be a handful. But with those PS4s, I think it will handle it. It is an absolute beast. Now, I've seen a few of these in the recent past, and I think this one looks the best with all the carbon on it. I do like this ducktail carbon boot. I've never seen that before. The only difference is that I think, in my opinion, if I would change, probably, is the stacked exhaust. There was one where I was at, there was an M2 at Lunkless, and if you don't know what that is, I'll leave a card here. It's a regular car meet that I used to go, and it had the quad exhaust was stacked, so they were like diagonally inwards, and I thought that was cool. But yeah, this is an absolute monster. It is a gorgeous thing. I have never seen one before with carbon intake nostrils, or kidney grills rather. That is, I don't know if that's a standard option or that's something that was put on after market, so to speak. And this is sitting on coilovers, and apparently this is really supple and really nice on the road. Hopefully we'll get out in it, and well, we will get out in it and feel the power. Right, let's go. Who the hell can stop me? Go! So guys, I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff, because without you, I can't do this. I can't bring you content like this. And I've got something even more amazing coming in the next couple of videos, but you're gonna have to subscribe to see what's going on. And that car sounded absolutely amazing. It looks amazing. The carbon was absolutely insane. And as you will agree, it sounded amazing. It's got a double res delete, so that's why it sounds just so fruity. And then I can't imagine what that's gonna be like when it's tuned. Anyway, guys, without further ado, until next time, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next time. Peace.